Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name is Laura. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this very neutral, kind of soft glam copper look. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. I'm trying to use all of the makeup that I have. And I almost never play with like bronze, coppers, those types of colors. Like they're so basic to me. And like I love playing with like blues and purples and neon greens and like colors like that. But I have this color, I actually used it the other day. I have this color from ColourPop. It's this one. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's called Millie. It's from ColourPop's, I believe when they passed 1 million followers on Instagram, maybe. I think they were giving these out for free with every order, like during a certain amount of time. It's honestly really not my favorite. It's like a foiled or metallic shadow. Yeah, really not my favorite formula at all. I'm thinking maybe this particular one, just something with the formulation or something wasn't the greatest. But I really just want to use it up because I don't use it that often because I don't love the formula and the pigmentation. I want to see if I can do a look with it that I actually like, because I have used it like with other shadows. I just feel like the pigmentation level just isn't quite there for me. But we're going to try it out today. I feel like it's pressed really hard or something. So like it's a beautiful color, like it's a lovely copper, but I just feel like pigmentation, see, it looks really pigmented on camera. In person, it's not where I want it to be. And I've got other coppers in my collection. Browns just aren't really my favorite shadows. They're just kind of boring to me. But for some reason, I feel like doing a very basic eye look. So that's what I'm going to do today. Yeah, so I'm just going to use a bunch of what I have and we're just going to get going. You know what? This is really bothering me. I'm gonna do my brows. So this is the final look. I am surprisingly happy about the way that this look turned out. It's really pretty. It's very, very neutral for me. Even though it is a dramatic look, it's still very, like, the colors are very neutral for me. I normally don't really work with browns and coppers that often, but it's very, very pretty. I also chose, I mean, they're dramatic, but still not like super dramatic lashes. They're a natural style of lash, but they're, you know, obviously longer than most people's lashes. Yeah, I didn't want something too dramatic because it is still, like, I would classify this still as a neutral look, so I didn't want to go too over the top with my lashes. And these are kind of old, so I kind of want to just like use them up because they're not my favorite lashes. The band is very, very thin, which normally I like, but I just feel like it wears out the lashes a lot easier. Like, they're kind of more delicate than the lashes that I typically work with, but yeah, it's just a very neutral, I guess I call this kind of like a soft glam copper look. Really, really pretty, wearable, like definitely something that you could wear to work or modify it slightly to wear to work. This look is also amazing for people with green and hazel eyes. It just brings out, like, the red tones really bring out the green in my eyes. So I love that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider following me on my other social media accounts. I post photos of a lot of the looks that I do on this channel over there. So if you enjoy the content on this channel, you'll probably enjoy the content on my other social media accounts. So I would really love it if you could follow me there as well. If you enjoy my content and want to see more on this channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll get updated whenever I put up a new video. And I'll see you guys next time.